Ogohlantiruvchi yozuv.
Placard.
Katta yuk.
Oversized load.
Umumiy.
Gross.
Transport vositasining umumiy vazni.
GVW. Gross vehicle weight.
Kabina orqasidagi himoya paneli. Yuk tushib ketmasligi uchun.
Headache rack.
Yukni mahkamlash. Yukni to'g'ri bog'lash.
Load securement.
Ish va dam olish vaqtining buzilishi. Yuk tashishdagi qonunbuzarlik.
HOS violation. Hours of service violation.
Zanjirli g'ildirak ishlatish qonuni. Qorli yoki muzli yo'llarda.
Chain law.
Yukni mahkamlovchi metal zanjir.
Binder chain.
Yo'l jurnali yoki ish vaqtining yuritilishidagi xato.
Log violation.
Yuk hujjati. Treylerdagi yukka mos kelishni tasdiqlaysizmi?
Can you confirm your bowl matches the freight in your trailer?
Bugun qayerdan yo'lga chiqqansiz?
What is your starting point today?
Men Amazon omboridan Los Angelesdan yo'lga chiqdim.
I started from the Amazon warehouse in Seattle.
Ish va dam olish vaqtini LD qurilmangizga to'g'ri kiritdingizmi yoki qo'lda yurityapsizmi?
Have you logged your HOS correctly on your ELD, or are you running manual?
Ha, men ish soatlarimni ELD tizimida to'g'ri kiritganman. Men doimo shu tizimdan foydalanaman.
Yes, I logged my hours correctly on the ELD system. I always use it.
Yuk mashinangizning umumiy vazni qancha va bu yo'l uchun ruxsat etilgan chegaradami?
What is the GVW of your rig? And is it within spec for this route?
Mening umumiy ogirligim taxminan 72 funtni tashkil qiladi va bu yo'l uchun ruxsat etilgan chegarada.
My GVW is around 72,000 pounds, and yes, it's within the legal limit for this route.
Oxirgi 34 soatlik to'liq dam olishni qachon oldingiz?
When was your last 34-hour reset?
O'tgan dam olish kunlari 34 soatlik dam olishni bajarganman. Shuning uchun to'liq tiklanganman va qonuniy talabga javob beraman.
I had my 34-hour reset last weekend, so I'm fully reset and compliant.
Oxirgi marta g'ildirakni qachon tekshirgan edingiz?
When was your last tire check?
Shinalarni bugun ertalab yo'lga chiqishdan oldin tekshirdim. Barchasi yaxshi holatda edi.
I checked all tires this morning before departure. Everything was in good condition.
O'qlar og'irligini tasdiqlash uchun tarozi chekini ko'rsata olasizmi?
Can you show me your scale ticket to confirm your axle weights?
Ha, bu yerda ombor yaqinidagi truck stopdan olingan so'nggi ogirlik chiptasi bor.
Yes, here's the latest scale ticket from the truck stop near the warehouse.
Siz shoshilinch yuk tashyapsizmi yoki oddiy yukmi?
Are you hauling a hot shot load or just standard freight?
Men Amazonning standart yukini tashimoqdaman. Zudlik bilan yetkazilishi kerak bo'lgan yuk emas.
I'm hauling standard Amazon freight, nothing expedited.
Agar yuk keng bo'lsa, sizda kerakli bayroqlar va belgilovchi yozuvlar bormi?
Do you have your oversized flags and signs if you're running wide?
Yo'q, men ortiqcha o'lchamdagi yukni tashimayapman. Mening treylerim odatiy kenglikda.
No, I'm not hauling an oversized load. My trailer is within normal width.
Oxirgi to'xtash joyingizda kechikish bo'ldimi?
Have you experienced any delays at your last stop?
Hech qanday kechikish bo'lmadi. Amazon omborida hammasi muammosiz o'tdi.
No delays. Everything went smoothly at the Amazon facility.
Sovutgich yuk uchun kerakli haroratda ishlayaptimi?
Is your reefer running at the right temp for your load?
Bugun men reefer sovutgichli treyler bilan emas, quruq yuk drivan tashyapman.
I'm not running a reefer today. It's a dry van load.
Yo'lga chiqishdan oldingi tekshiruv jarayonini tushuntirib bera olasizmi?
Can you walk me through your pre-trip inspection process?
Albatta. Men har safar yo'lga chiqishdan oldin shinani, chiroqlarni, tormozlarni, suyuqlik darajasini, oynalarni tekshiraman va yuk mahkamlanganligiga ishonch hosil qilaman.
Sure. I check tires, lights, brakes, fluid levels, mirrors, and ensure the load is secured before every trip.
Ko'zgularingiz to'g'ri sozlanganmi?
Are your mirrors adjusted correctly for safe operation?
Ha, men ularni bugun maydonni tark etishdan oldin sozlaganman.
Yes, I adjusted them before I left the lot today.
Transport vositasining balandligi va og'irligi chegaralarini bilasizmi?
Do you know the height and weight limits of your vehicle?
Ha. Treylerim 13 fut 6 dyum balandlikda va umumiy vaznim 80 ming funtdan oshmaydi.
Yes, my trailer is 13 feet 6 inches tall, and I stay within 80,000 pounds total weight.
Yuklarni to'g'ri mahkamlangan va muvozanatlanganmi?
Are your loads properly secured and balanced?
Ha, Amazon ombori xodimlari yukni to'g'ri mahkamlashgan. Men ham jo'nashdan oldin 2 marta tekshirib chiqdim.
Yes, the Amazon warehouse staff secured the load properly, and I double-checked it before departure.
Oxirgi duty inspection tekshiruvingiz qachon bo'lgan?
When was your last dot inspection?
Taxminan 2 hafta oldin shtatdagi vazn nazorati stansiyasida dot tekshiruvdan o'tganman. Hammasi joyida edi.
About 2 weeks ago at a weigh station in insert state. Everything was fine.
Bugun ilgari politsiya xodimlari sizni to'xtatishganmi?
Have you been stopped by any officers earlier today?
Yo'q, bu mening bugungi birinchi to'xtashim.
No. This is my first stop today.
Bu shtatdagi harakat qonunlarini bilasizmi?
Are you familiar with the traffic laws in this state?
Ha, men bu yerda bir necha marta haydaganman va mahalliy qoidalar bilan tanishman.
Yes, I've driven through here several times and I stay updated on local regulations.
Xavfli yuk uchun kerakli belgilar plakard o'rnatilganmi?
Do you have placards displayed as required for hazmat?
Platard xavfli yuk belgisi kerak emas. Men xavfli material tashimayapman.
No placards needed. I'm not hauling hazardous materials.
Sizga berayotgan tekshiruv hujjatini tushunyapsizmi?
Do you understand the inspection report I'm giving you?
Ha, tushundim. Tushuntirganingiz uchun rahmat.
Yes, I understand. Thank you for explaining it.